Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Connecticut Paid Leave Spotlight. My name is Walter Hay. I am the Contribution and Compliance Manager for Connecticut Paid Leave. In this video, we will be reviewing how to register your third-party administrator account. The primary audience for this presentation are third-party administrators for payroll services supporting Connecticut Paid Leave covered employers. In this presentation, we'll refer to third-party administrators as TPAs. Today, we'll review a sitemap of our website to guide you to the registration page, items you should be aware of in preparing to register your business, entering your contact information, connecting your ct.gov account. Please note, if you have not set up a ct.gov account, you will need to do that before you can complete your TPA registration, signing up and adding of additional users, and account maintenance within My Account. As a reminder, if you are both an employer with Connecticut workers and a TPA, you'll need to complete your employer registration before registering as a TPA. To get started, we'll take a quick look at the sections of the website that will guide you to the registration page. Once you're on the website, select from the banner for businesses and employers. Select how to register as a TPA. Select Register Your Business, and then from here you'll be taken to the TPA registration page. As you prepare to register your account, there are many resources available. To get more information, you can explore the options ahead of registering, familiarize yourself with the process, as well as any materials you may need. In preparation to register your business, you'll be required to create a ct.gov account. If you've already created a ct.gov account, you're all set to start the registration process. It may be helpful to register your business in a new browser tab to enable you the option to have this tutorial or other instructional videos open while completing your registration. Please have your FEIN ready. You'll need it to register. If you have Connecticut workers, please complete your employer registration before completing your TPA registration. Once you're ready to complete your TPA registration, ensure that you have your primary contact information handy. After clicking on Register Your Business, select either third-party payroll company or tax account, depending on the type of TPA you are. As you're completing your TPA registration, keep in mind that you are creating your own registration at this time, so be sure to not check the box for I am a tax account or TPA registering on behalf of this business. Later, you can come back to this section and then register your clients on their behalf. Acknowledge your enrollment into our program and review the terms outlined. After confirming the information on the screen, click Next. Now that you've entered your contact information, it's time to connect your ct.gov account to your registration. To do this, enter your FEIN. Please be sure to enter it exactly as is indicated by the IRS. Do not enter your FEIN incorrectly. Otherwise, it will create an additional registration in our system. If this happens, you will need to reach out to us via the Contact Us portal on the website. Once you've confirmed your FEIN, click Next. If you've already registered your employer account, you'll be able to follow the prompts to register your TPA. Also, if your business has not been enrolled, you'll now be prompted to enter your business information and confirm it is correct. When complete, click Next. A few things to look out for. If the business has already been registered, an on-screen message will appear to indicate who registered the business. This individual will then be required to log into the My Account section and then add you as a user. Be sure to provide them the information you used to create a ct.gov account, so they are using the same email address. If you have any issues during the registration process, or the individual who registered your business is no longer with your company, and you don't know who the appropriate contact for your company is, stop. Please go to our website's Contact Us page to submit a request for help with registration. The acknowledgement statement, in summary, is your statement that you have obtained and provided accurate information to the best of your knowledge, and that you are providing it to us legally. Also, that you are doing your part to withhold and remit contributions lawfully and you ensure that your reporting follows the law. Please read the acknowledgement statement and ensure you meet the criteria as the responsible party for your business to proceed. Once you've had a chance to review, check the box by clicking here, I confirm I am authorized, then click Next to proceed to adding additional users. Adding additional users to your account is optional. However, we encourage at the time of registration you to add any necessary users to the account that will be needed to maintain your client's accounts. Note that only authorized individuals on the account can add new users. A person can't add themselves to the account if the registration has already been completed by someone else. Also, let those users know that they're been added to your account. Then they are going to receive an email with instructions to complete their own registration on the account. Also, make sure to review your spam or junk folders so you don't miss this instructional email. Once you've gained access to my account, you can add new users at this time. Now that you have added all users, confirm the information is correct, then click Next to complete your registration. Congratulations! You've almost completed your registration. This will be your last opportunity to make any corrections to your business name and FEIN. If you need any additional account maintenance, like adding additional users or updating your account contact information, this can be done at any point after you've logged into your My Account. If everything looks good, click Next. This will redirect you to your registration confirmation. See the blue box on the right. Click Add Another Business to register another business. Typically, a third-party administrator or tax accountant would add an additional business to register each client employer for whom they are remitting contributions. Follow the step-by-step instructions for registering an employer to register each of your client employers. In your business account, you will have the ability to manage your business information, the contacts on the account, and then lastly, your relationship to your clients' businesses. If you need to file individual employers or using batch method, please review the website for more information. Please know that Connecticut Paid Leave does require a quarterly reporting for each of your clients, and if applicable, a quarterly contribution payment while your employers are active in our system. If your employers no longer have any Connecticut employees or have closed, you need to tell us. You can do this by submitting a request using the Contact Us portal on our website to let us know. Thank you, and for more information, visit our website at connecticutpaidleave.org.